Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hannah here with a new video, and in today's video it's sponsored by QueenLife hair. They have sent me this beautiful 22-inch wig. It's 150 density and it is a lace of 13 by 6. It's super soft, super sleek, and it takes well to the straightener. I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how I apply my wig for beginner friendly, as you guys have been asking for something that's much more easier for those who are new to the wig game. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing I do is put the wig on my head and measure it from ear to ear. I have already cut the lace off prior, and I'm literally gonna move the wig above so I can spray the got-to-be glue on my head. I put about 2 layers on and I literally just mesh it into my skin. I wait for it to get tacky just a little bit, a few seconds, and then I put it on my head and I literally use my fingers to just like stick it on. Pretty much I'm gonna do that from the top to the sides, and yeah, it's literally just like that. So easy. Throughout the video I'm gonna keep measuring on my head so I know exactly where it's meant to place, and yeah. So I take my rat tail comb and I literally move the hair out of the way and I try to get the lace. I literally try to mesh it in. So what I'm doing now is basically using my rat tail comb and pushing my hair back and trying to secure the lace and trying to make it as flat as possible. I'm literally just blowing it out so that it dries quicker. I'm going to go in with my comb, with my hot comb, which I got from Superdrug online, and I think it was about £20. I'll put the link in the description box down below so you guys can get them as well. This goes fairly hot and it does do the job, although I feel like sometimes a curling iron can be better. But yeah, I also use Kera Care hair wax to wax the hair down so that it's super sleek. My lace is laid, it's super flat, and yeah, I'm literally just gonna keep combing it until I'm satisfied with how flat my lace is. And then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. So I'm now going to go in and do my baby hairs with the got-to-be glue, and I'm using some any raggedy ass. This was like a eyebrow brush, but it actually just does the job. I'm doing my edges, so I'm doing like 4, so 2 at the front and 2 on the sides, and yeah, it's super easy with regards of doing your edges with the got-to-be glue. You need to be quite quick because it will dry very quickly. So yeah, and I'm literally just doing the sides, and that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Put your post notifications on if you guys haven't already so you guys can get alerted every time I upload a new video. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and a big shout out to QueenLife hair for sponsoring this video. So all the links will be in the description box down below, so if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it, make sure you guys do so.